Okay, I'm gonna make some golden milk. I've got the heat on medium. Gotta add 2 cups. I'm gonna use Silk Almond Milk. This is gonna be the kind with saffron and turmeric, a little cinnamon. Says to get it good and warm. Then you have to infuse the saffron. Okay, I've got my milk warm. It's almond milk, like I said. You want to get just a little bit of the warm milk. I've got a mortar and piston because sometimes you have to grind saffron when you cook with it. And I got some just to see what some of this stuff is, gonna be like, and it's supposed to be really good for you. I got the Zaffrus saffron. And then you get about 10 or 11, maybe 12 strands, because we're gonna use 2 cups of the almond milk of the saffron and put it in this little bit of the warm milk. And it says to let it sit in the warm milk for about 10 minutes so that the saffron will release its tastiness into the warm milk. Okay, we need half a teaspoon of our ground turmeric. It's probably better if it's fresh, but people do say that the ground has a distinct tastiness. Okay, I have to open it because I just got this. I've never really used turmeric before either. They say it's good for your gut and your brain. Saffron's good for the brain. Good for depression and different things. Half a spoonful, teaspoonful. And I have to open it back up, goodness. Get a clean spoon. That one has milk on it. Half a teaspoon of turmeric into the warm milk. Teaspoon of ground ginger. This is just Walmart brand. I got certain things off of Amazon because they're cheaper. There are larger bottles of it. Oops. Made a mess. There's half a teaspoon, just about of it. Dump it in the warm milk with the turmeric. Whisk it a little bit. It's heated on low. Still got my saffron soaking in the warm milk. Starting to get its color and flavor into it real good. A teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Got this stuff from Dollar General. Okay. whisk, and then simmer on low for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll whisk it a bit. It's on low. I'm gonna set my timer. We'll go for the whole 5. Then it says we can add a teaspoon or 2 of warm honey, or not warm honey, but just honey to the mixture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in the mug, and when it's done simmering on low, after 5 minutes, I'll pour it in and mix it up, and then I'll give it a taste. Okay, it says 2 teaspoons is probably gonna be desirable. I'm gonna probably use slightly less. Hold on 1 second. That's 1. And that's still just slightly heating. I've been whisking it a little more because I wasn't sure if it was, just... It seemed mixed, but I wasn't entirely sure. God, it says, forgot completely. It says just a little bit of black pepper. So I'm going to add some black pepper and let it cook just a slight minute longer than it was going to. Now, I'm scared of it because I've never tried golden milk before. But I'm going to give this a whirl. Wow, that's really good. It's got like this citrusy kind of thing going on. This other kind of flavor with the saffron and ginger and stuff. All right.